How to check Zipcar mileage included for your plan. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is the official article of Zipcar. You'll find its mileage included with a Zipcar trip. There is never a limit on how far you can drive your Zipcar, but there is a limit on how many of those miles are included with your reservation. And as you can see, first one is US mileage, second one is Canada. So select your country, and there is light, standard, plus. It's according to your plan. For light in US, 50 free miles per 24 hours plus 20 extra miles for each additional hour up to 50 miles. Standard, 200 miles per 24 hour, and for plus 300 free miles per 24 hour. And accordingly, you'll find Canada's mileage as well. And for additional mileage charges, any mileage over the included amount is billed at 0.67 per mile US or 0.67 per kilometer in Canada. And this is all. And this is how to check Zipcar mileage included for your plan. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.